The team at HighWire understood from the beginning that we had to dream that this would become an enormously important element in biomedical communication. I mean, if you look at Archive, then it has 100,000 manuscripts a year, and the field of physics and mathematics is much smaller than biomedicine. So we need to think in terms of 500,000 articles a year or 1 million articles a year. I mean, there are 1.2 million articles in biomedicine published every year and indexed in PubMed. So we need to think in those sorts of terms, and the site has been robust through this entire growth phase. The uptime has been perfect, and getting, we can't really say getting more perfect, but the uptime has been terrific, but it is actually getting even better as time goes on. And at one point we did have an outage for some global reason. It wasn't anything specifically to do with the bioRxiv site. And instantly on Twitter, there were people saying, "What's going on with bioRxiv? I can't get on." At which point somebody tweeted, somewhat sarcastically, "Congratulations, bioRxiv, you've gone from a novelty to a utility in the space of a year." A utility, in other words, that people just kind of always expect to be there at the flick of a switch. The global audience has been fascinating because we are used as journal publishers, we're used to having a very large predominance of submissions coming from the United States, Western Europe, Australia, Japan, a relatively small number of regions and countries. So we track the submissions to bioRxiv. Right now, we have submissions from 101 countries. And I think that's quite remarkable. And I should also say something about usage, which has, of course, an impact on what HighWire does for us as well, because the usage is now consistently over 1 million or 1.2, 1.3 million accesses each month if you combine PDF downloads and abstract views. And once again, the site is robust. We never hear that from people that they can't get in or they can't get on when they need to. And it is a 24/7 operation. I mean, our screening staff are on deck at the weekends, on holidays, somewhere in the world, even on the major holidays, there is somebody who is looking to upload a manuscript to bioRxiv, and it's a very exciting thing, but also a very sort of humbling thing, because you realize that we have to. This is a service function, and we have a lot of people who we serve.